My dear friends, HVAC engineers, HVAC consultant engineers, architects related, and my students. Welcome back to VK Jain Sir ki MEP classes. In this module, we shall be discussing standards, codes, and bylaws applicable to HVAC works. Friends, local building bylaws at municipal corporation or authority level or state level. For making any construction or renovation or demolishing any building, a building permit is necessary. Towns and cities in India are governed under urban local bodies ULBs framework as per the 74th Constitutional Amendment of year 1992. The state government has made it mandatory to obtain permission from district planning agency through respective panchayat samiti or construction of construction of three-story buildings. The local authorities having jurisdiction. Authorities having jurisdiction. This is a term which is quite often repeated in National Building Code. Always include NBC, which in turn include all other codes. First, we will discuss authority having jurisdiction, AHJ. Friends, now something on authority having jurisdiction. As per National Building Code 2016, authority having jurisdiction means the authority or officer of the state government, union territory administration, or local body or any statutory body legally constituted which have power to approve building plans, enforce building bylaws, issue permits, and regulate construction activities within its jurisdiction. Now, the key functions of authority having jurisdiction is to scrutinize and approve building plans and permits. Second, ensure compliance with national building and IS code and local building bylaws. Conduct site inspection during and after construction. Grant completion certificate and occupancy certificate. Enforce safety, fire, health and environmental provisions. Now we are discussing types of authorities in India. Depending upon the location and type of project, authority having jurisdiction can be municipal corporation, municipalities or Nagar Panchayat according to population of the particular location. They have to approve building plans, layout, occupancy and certificate. For example, MCD Delhi, Municipal Corporation Delhi, or Bombay Municipal Corporation Mumbai, or BBMP in Bengaluru. Next is urban development authorities. For metropolitan and planned city regions, for example, DDA Delhi Development Authority, Huda Haryana Urban Development Authority. Now this is to be continued to the next slide. Friends, for all central government buildings, the construction has to be done by Central Public Works Department known as CPWD, in which I served about 35 years continuously, and I was electrical engineer designated by them. This includes all central government buildings all over the India and union territories, or overseas construction of government building and infrastructure like high commissions or embassies. Let me tell you that in about five years ago, most of the construction work is being done by NBCC also. The fourth is Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, situated in Indira Paryavaran Bhavan, New Delhi. They provide regulations on CFCs, carbon fluorocarbon refrigerant, and SCFC, hydrogen chlorofluorine carbons, phased out under Montreal Protocol. Next is Town and Country Planning Department, regulates land use, zoning and master plans. Other statutory body, depending upon project, you may have to get permission from Airport Authority of India, because in near vicinity of any airport, some height of construction cannot be resorted to. There is one more, Urban Development Authority. The next one is National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, for building along highways. Now let me tell you friends, I was in charge for a project which was in Haryana, near Haryana, but by side of National Highway Authority, National Highways, one of the national highways. In this particular building, after having invested about 20 crores of rupees, one day the National Highway Authority officers demolished the compound wall because it was within 35 meters of the national highway. So we have to be very careful in for observing all National Highway Authority of India jurisdictions. Next in order is Ministry of EFCC, or State Pollution Control Board for Environmental Clearances. It is very necessary to obtain state pollution approval of the State Pollution Control Board. In most of the cases of India, now this State Pollution Control Board or CPCB, Central Power Control Board, have made it compulsory to have a STP or ETP. State Pollution Control Boards provide restriction on refrigerant and emissions. Next is Special Area Development Authority, that may be set up by central government for industrial area, SEZ, smart cities and cantonments. Friends, this presentation will make you aware of different type of conglomerations in India. Town with a maximum population of 15,000 is considered rural in nature. Second, Nagar Panchayat, notified area council or town panchayat. For transitional areas, rural urban population approximately 12,000 to 25,000, like satellite cities. Next in order are towns, 5,000 to 1 lakh town area or municipality. Next is urban local body, ULBs. ULBs may be town with a population of 1 lakh and above are called cities. For medium towns, 1 lakh to 10 lakh population, municipal corporation, that is known as Nagar Nigam. headed by chairperson or president. For large city, typically 10 lakh population, headed by a mayor with a commissioner and executive head. Next is metropolitan city is defined as one with a population more than 20 lakhs. Next is a mega city is a very large city typically with a population more than 1 crore 10 million and above. There are six such cities in India. The biggest is Delhi National Capital Region. Delhi is India's largest megacity with a population estimated more than 10 more than more than a crore. The second is Mumbai. Mumbai Metropolitan Region having 2 crores 17 lakhs million people. Next in order is Kolkata. Kolkata urban agglomeration around 1.56 crore people. Next in order is Bengaluru. Bengaluru urban agglomeration having 1.4 crore or 14 million population. The next in order is Chennai. Chennai urban conglomeration 1.2 crore or 1.2. Next in order is Hyderabad. So let me repeat. In India, Delhi is the largest. Next in order is Mumbai. Next in order is Kolkata. Next in order is Bengaluru. And next in order is Chennai. And next in order is Hyderabad. Friends, there are some more energy and green building guidelines. GRA is prime and it is compulsory for all central government and state government buildings. GRAHA means Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment done by a social private organization known as TERI, T-E-R-I. Then voluntarily you can go for LEED, L-E-E-D, Leadership in Energy and Environment Design. Next in order is IGBC, Indian Green Building Council Guidelines. These regulated HVAC efficiency, indoor quality and energy savings. There are some Bureau of Indian Standards of which important is Indian Standard 3362, Code of Practice for Natural Ventilation. Another code is Indian Standard 655. This provides detail for duct construction for air conditioning. Then IS Indian Standard 1391.1.1 1992 is about window systems. IS 139.1.2 of 1992 Part 2 is about split air conditioners. Then IS 2115 of 1980 is mud fusca buildings, cottages. Next in order is IS 708/96 of 2001 provides outside design conditions. Then Indian Standard 7896 of 2001 provides uh, already discussed. Then IS 10609 of 1983 provides the detail of refrigerant numbering system. Inter alia, friends, some safety codes become applicable. For example, fire safety in HVAC shaft, duct and dampers. Uh, this is from National Building Code as well as NFPA. This is American. Proper insulation and sealing to avoid leakages. Next is refrigerant handling codes. ASRE, American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. ASRE 15 is to be followed, or otherwise Indian Standard 4579. Then we are supposed to observe electrical safety as per National Electrical Code, which have been issued recently, the revised version. Then we are to observe central electricity measures relating to safety and electrical supply regulations 2010 provided by CEA regulations. Friends, this particular presentation provides a list of Indian standards and codes. There are numerous such codes, and we have to follow international standards if we are doing any project outside India. Friends, now I am discussing star rating system of Graha 2019. As I told earlier, Graha 2019 is compulsory for all those buildings which are having air conditioned area more than 1000 square meter or electrical load of 125 kVA. This Graha version 2019 uses a 100-point system to rate buildings on sustainability ranging from 1 to 5 stars. Building must achieve a minimum of 25 points to receive 1-star rating. As per central government CPWD rules, the minimum must the building must achieve 3-star rating at least. The rating threshold increase in increments of 15 starting from 20 to 40 for 1 star and up to 86 or more for 5 star. Now, as per Graha 2019, the following are the threshold values: 5 star, minimum 40 points; 2 star, between 41 to 55 points; 3 star, 56 to 70 points, and the 4-star building must be this must be any central government and state government buildings. Now 4-star, 71 to 85 points, and 5-star above 86 or more points. Friends, we were discussing Graha system of making 1 to 5 star and achieving at least for achieving different type of evaluation criteria, and the criteria points may go up to 100 points. Major evaluation criteria is sustainable site planning, and site selection with respect to HVAC. Then reduction in heat island effect has to be incorporated. You have to work out a landscape as per them. Uh, this point includes energy efficiency, building envelope design, and efficient HVAC system. Next is use of renewable energy, that is solar, wind, etc. Now, sustainable material, we have to use recycled low impact materials. You have to order window environmental quality, day lighting, but not a point of discussion in our this current slide. Then thermal comfort is to be provided, and you have to provide a particular air quality as well. Now friends, something more about green rating for integrated habitat assessment GRAHA 2019, of which currently we are having version 5. The latest, most widely used comprehensive version of green rating integrated habitat assessment is GRAHA version 2019 and now version 5. It aligns with updated codes like NBC 2016 and ECBC 2017, focusing on life cycle analysis, water efficiency, and sustainability. GRAHA 5 of 2019 is designed for new construction projects. Key details of GRAHA 5 2019. The focus area is from life cycle cost analysis, water performance index, waste management, renewable energy, and urban agriculture. As far as applicability is concerned, new construction project over 2,500 square meter of area, construct area, excluding parking and basement. Regarding other version of GRAHA, for specific needs, variant includes GRAHA for affordable housing, GRAHA for existing building, and SVA GRAHA for smaller projects. GRAHA 5 2019 is designed to meet the evolving need of Indian construction, offering a holistic rating system. Friends, thanks for constantly and meaningfully watching this presentation. Thanks once again from Engineer VK Jain.